Welcome to Proxy channel. This video will show you instructions on how to buy and use private proxy from proxy.com to change your IP address. Proxy.com provides private proxies from two of the most popular countries worldwide, consisting of USA private proxy and UK private proxy. First, we will instruct you to buy private proxy at proxy.com. To buy any type of proxy at proxy.com, you need to visit this site. Then click on Sign in here. Then you launching your account at proxy.com. If you don't have any account yet, click on Sign up here to register an account. After that, you click on Order New Proxies. Then select USA Private Proxy or UK Private Proxy. For example, I buy USA Private Proxy. Click on this one. Then you can see the different packages here. Click on the package that you want to buy. I click on 1 month package. Then scroll down to take out payment details. Next, you enter the number of proxy that you want to buy into the quantity section here. For example, I put 10. You will get 1% discount for every order of 100 proxies, up to 10%. Next, at payment currency, leave the session at the default USD. Next, payment method sessions. You can pay for the proxy with two payment methods, Proxy True Wallet or the Visa or MasterCard here. In case you select the first option, Proxy True Wallet, you need to top up your Proxy True or Wallet by click on Deposit here. Then you will see the different methods to top up your Proxy True Wallet. First, if you want to top up your wallet with crypto via Coinbase automatically, you click on this. Then you enter the deposit amount here. For example, I entered 200. Then click Submit. Then you can pay with any cryptocurrency wallet here. Secondly, if you want to top up your wallets with Visa or MasterCard Stripe automatically, you click on this one. Then enter the deposit amount here. Then click Submit. Next, you need to fulfill this information. Then click on this one. Next, click Pay to deposit your Proxy True Wallet. After you complete one of these two auto deposit methods, your Proxy True Wallet will be deposited automatically within 5 minutes. You come back to your account. Then see the account balance change to $200 here. In case the amount you deposited has not been added to your account, please contact us for support. In case you want to top up your Proxy True Wallet manually, you click on this one. Scroll down. You will see the different payment methods. Select one of these payment methods, make payment, then contact us to show the payment proof. We will have you deposit your Proxy True Wallet manually. After depositing your Proxy True Wallet, back to the payment details here. Scroll down. Then tick on I have read and agree to term of use of procedure.com. You can click on term of use to read it. Finally, you click buy now. Remember that the account balance in your procedure wallet must be more than the total shopping bill here. In case you want to pay with Visa or MasterCard Stripe, you click on this option at Payment Method section. Then click on I have read and agree to term of use of procedure.com. Next, click buy now. Then you need to fulfill the required information here. Finally, you click subscribe. Remember that if you paid with Visa or MasterCard, your proxy package will be renewed automatically. After buying proxy, you click on proxy management here. Then select the type of proxy that you buy. I click on USA private proxy. You can see the provided proxy here. Now we will instruct you to use private proxy to change your IP address. You need to assign a sex IP for authorization before using this proxy. Assigning a sex IP will help you enhance security, control the online access to these proxies, and prevent fraud. First, you need to select the proxy that you want to assign a sex IP. Next, visit whatismyipaddress.com. Then copy the IPv4 here. Back to your proxy management. Click on Assign a sex IP. Then paste the copy proxy here. Click Submit. Then you will see the Edit IP in the IP's Allow Access column here. Next, to export the proxy in a text file, you select the proxy that you want to export. Then click on Export File. Open this file. Then you can see the exported proxy in this text file. Now I will instruct you to use this proxy on Firefox browser. On Firefox browser, you visit whatismyipaddress.com to see the existing IP, IPv4 here. Next, to use proxy, you open new tab, click on this icon, select Manage More Settings, then to type Network here. Click on Setting at Network Settings here. Then click on Manual Proxy Configuration. Next, you add the IP and port. You paste the IP here. Next, the port. Remember to tick on Show you this proxy for HTTPS. Finally, you click OK. After adding proxy, you back to whatismyipaddress.com, relog this page. Then you will see the IPv4 changed to this IP. Next, You can visit any site on Firefox with this new IP. For example, I search on Google. Similarly, you can visit any other popular site with this new IP. So these are instructions on how to buy and use private proxy from proxytool.com to change your IP address. If you find this video useful, kindly like, share, comment, and do not forget to subscribe our channel to get more useful videos. Thank you very much for your time. See you in the next video.